vinyl or linoleum transitions. This company was doing, look at this thing, how it takes scuff marks and collects hair and stuff. But you can clean it off, and just use my foot to show you. It takes footprints too easy. Maybe that wasn't the best example, but I want to show you a different option of just going straight to vinyl. This one's sheet vinyl. This one's vinyl plank. And I stopped the company from, they were doing this on all the units, which was not good. They got a washing machine in here, so it's like a speed bump. And I want to show you a different option of what I had them do instead on all the units. This one, they have visibility, so that is a little gap in between, but it can be changed and modified. Replace these two planks and then go with having them meet straight up and using a seam seal. I'll show you that. And here's how I'm having them do these nowadays. Just do a seam seal, have the edge meet, and then this gets a seam seal, which is a coating that seals the edge. Now this one looks like it doesn't have the seam seal, but even that's better than the other transition deal. And same thing in front of the washing machine. This unit needs to get cleaned, but same deal. I'd rather have these meet up like that than have that bump there, especially when you need to move out the washing machine for cleaning and stuff like that. But also I think this just has a much nicer look than that speed bump in the way. That's what I'm going with. I think it's a much nicer look. It's not critical that this is seam sealed. In fact, these vinyl planks are not sealed between each, which is common practice with the vinyl planks. But it does make it a little bit less likely that the sheet vinyl would come up. So a little bit better to seam seal it, but again, not critical. But yeah, this is the transition that I like. To me, it looks much nicer than that speed bump.